both the stocks. However, they've downgraded Hero Motor to a neutral, and they have an underweight rating on Escorts.
Sure.
Now, the only thing is on Tata Motors, they believe that the stock at these valuations is giving a negative value to JLR, which is bearish, and hence an upgrade on Tata Motors as well.
All right, thanks a lot for that. That's just in time for the market opening, and the first tick on the index is absolutely flat. So the Nifty is now down about 10-13 points. Very, very quiet opening. The mid-cap index is trending a tad bit in the green. The big mover is Tata Motors, 3.5% higher after that strong rise in JLR's wholesales in Q3 and some upgrades coming through as well. There's a record order book that JLR has posted, remember, so that is really driving the stock higher. Apart from that, you have M&M that's up about 0.5%. It was the big mover yesterday as well. Very bullish plans in the electric vehicle space. And then you have a whole host of metal stocks. There is Hindalco, there's JSW Steel, Tata Steel. This whole reopening of China trade is something that's taking that entire pocket higher. Then you have the Bajaj twins that are making a bit of an attempt to recover. So Bajaj Finserv is a tad bit in the green. Bajaj Auto is also up almost about 0.5%. Yesterday, you had participation from the likes of L&T, Reliance, the other heavyweights. L&T is chugging along this morning as well, up about 0.2%. Now the market is sinking a bit. The Nifty is down about 37 odd points. It's TCS that's dragging down about 2 odd %. Remember, TCS did say that there is some slowdown as far as decision making is concerned, and certain pockets like Europe are seeing a bit of slowdown, and hence that's a caution point for them. The street is looking at that a bit nervously. Remember, TCS was up over 3% yesterday as well. So this morning there is some profit taking there. In fact, it's dragged down the entire IT space with it. So Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Wipro are all down about 0.3%. So keep an eye out on that. Asian Paints is the other one coming in for a bit of profit taking this morning. HDFC Bank, ITC, IndusInd Bank are also a tad bit in the red. But TCS tops your list as the biggest loser on the index and dragging its feet on the market. A couple of banks as well. The Bank Nifty is down 120 points right now, led by Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI, all in the red this morning, and dragging HDFC Bank as well, dragging the market lower. So it's a muted start, a slightly weakish start led by TCS as well as a lot of the heavyweight banking names. So let's see. For now, the 100-day moving average is holding. But what's happening in the broader market?
Well, the broader market, Sonia, is doing a relative outperformance just for starters. But a quick word on the index itself. The Nifty, actually, it's good news for the bulls that we've opened up and we're down a little bit. Otherwise, if it gapped up and we sustain there, there's no chance of getting in. So I think, if the market moves a little bit lower, maybe to around that 18,020, 18,000 odd mark, it'll be a favorable entry point from a bullish perspective. Well, focusing on a couple of other names, then you have Tega Industries from the mid-cap space. Well, there was a resignation out there. So that's opened up with a cut of around 2% approximately. You have KRBL and L&T Foods, both of them have opened up well in the green. For KRBL, there's a bit of a marketing exercise out there. They've launched an initiative to convert customers to choose branded products. But both those two, companies, well, they have opened up well in the green. A couple of other names as well, just to highlight. IRB, well, the collections were pretty okay, so that stock should be in focus. IRB as well as the InvIT out there. And from the metals pack, well, Nalco has opened up in the green. That's up close to 2% as we speak. Hindalco as well has opened up in the green. So good news on that front. Nifty down 50 points, mid-cap index as flat as can be. Prashant.
Absolutely. 1:1 advances to declines ratio, exactly 1:1. 880 higher, 850 lower. So this is neither here nor there. TCS, of course, is the pressure point.